Standard 6th, Subject Social Science, Chapter number 11, Landforms, Part 3. In previous two parts, we have learned about mountain, plateau and plains. Now today we are going to learn about other landforms on the earth. First is bay. Usually a part of an ocean water bodies is called bay. You can see in this picture. They take a shape like huge wide lake surrounded by land. The bays can be large or small in size. Bay of Bengal in India is the best example of it. Second landform is Gulf. In this picture we can see Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Khambat. This area is surrounded by land from three sides, therefore it is called Gulf. These two are the best example of Gulf in India. Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Khambat. It is surrounded by the three sides in Arabian Sea. Next is Cape. Cape is a perpendicular end of land that extends into water bodies. It is also can be known as sea line. For example, Kanyakumari in India and Cape of Good Hope in Africa. This picture is of Cape of Good Hope in Africa. These all are the different landforms on the earth. Next is island. A piece of land that is surrounded by water from all four sides is known as island. For example, Lakshadweep, island of Andamans and Nicobar, island Shankhodavar or Bet Dwarka, Pirambet, Shial, etc. These all are the islands in India, which is surrounded by the water from all the sides. Next is valley, low-lying region among the mountain ranges. At the time of formation of fold mountains and block mountains, erosion takes place due to flowing of water or glaciers. As a result, valleys are created. For example, Kashmir Valley. This low-lying area between the mountains, which is formed due to river or glaciers, are known as valley, and it shows a beautiful folded mountain regions of block mountains and folded mountains. Next is strait. A narrow piece of sea joining two larger water areas is called strait. The middle part of this photo, where the two water bodies are merged with each other, this part is known as strait. For example, Palk Strait between India and Sri Lanka. That means the area lies between India and Sri Lanka where water merges between is known as strait. Next is isthmus. Isthmus is created a narrow piece of land which separates two water areas is called isthmus. For example, Panama between North and South America. The last landform is peninsular, a piece of land which is surrounded by sea from three sides and connected with land on one is called peninsular. For example, South India and Saurashtra. We are completing our chapter number 11. You have to write all the questions related to landforms in your workbook and try to find out the answers from your textbook. Thank you.